Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to break down how to get resources in Foundation Galactic Frontier step by step. So let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about your ship and modules. Now, your ship generates resources automatically over time, even when you're offline. That's why upgrading your modules is absolutely critical. Higher level modules mean faster production and bigger payouts. This is your main source of passive income, so never neglect your city upgrades if you want steady progress. Next, we have space missions and tasks. Setting your ships and heroes on missions is one of the fastest active ways to earn resources. These missions reward basic materials, upgrade items, and sometimes even hero related resources. The stronger your fleet is, the quicker you finish missions and the better your rewards will be. Another major source of income is capturing planets. Once you control a planet, it generates resources for you over time. Some planets even produce rare materials, so expanding your territory directly boosts your overall economy. More planets equals more income, simple as that. Now, let's talk about heroes and fleet synergy. Heroes play a huge role in resourcing farming. Make sure you're matching hero types, kinetic, ion, or beam, with your ship's build. This synergy improves efficiency, helps you clear content faster, and unlocks better rewards across missions and battles. And don't forget about PvE content and events. Port raids, land battles, and limited time events often drop valuable upgrade materials and currencies that are hard to get anywhere else. This is especially important for free to play players, so always participate when these modes are available. Finally, consistency and social play matter. Joining alliances, logging in daily, and participating in group activities all add up over time. Even small daily rewards can make a big difference if you stay consistent. And that's about it. That's how you efficiently get resources in Foundation Galactic Frontier. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.